minutes. This can be on a bed, sofa, or floor. If this is your first time using the RESTCLOUD, start with the convex side toward your head for a gentle stretch. Place the neck support at the middle of your neck and gently reposition yourself along your spine until you find the most comfortable position for your neck. Bend your knees, putting your hand beside your head. Once you feel comfortable, allow your neck to settle further into the support. Be sure to continue taking slow, deep breaths to help yourself relax. Notice how the support reinforces your posture. You'll notice the tensions leaving your neck and that your neck, trap, and shoulder muscles are relaxing further as your posture becomes more aligned. Reposition yourself lightly every few minutes to prevent localized fatigue. You can always come back to those positions you love later. If you feel you'd like more neck support, adjust the position of the RESTCLOUD so that the concave side is toward your head. This will provide a stronger stretch. Like any new exercise, be sure to start off slowly. Use the gentle support level for 5 minutes, and if that feels good, you can use it for an additional 5 minutes. Go gradually as you get more and more comfortable. Start with 10-minute sessions and don't exceed 30 minutes per day. Never sleep on RESTCLOUD overnight. At first, you may feel some discomfort while your muscles and joints adjust to their new positions. If you do feel pain, stop using RESTCLOUD and consult with your healthcare.